Okay guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable Authenticator app on your Instagram account. So you need to open your Instagram account. Once you open your app, click on this your profile picture, then you click on this your three line, click on your account center, you click on password and security, then you can see Authenticator 2-factor authenticator, click on it, then click on the account. Then you're going to see Authenticator app. You can see click on next. Once you click on next, you are going to go to you can see follow all this instruction. Once you follow it, click on next. Then automatically enter the code that's been sent to you from the app that you continue. Then you click on next, and after that you have enabled your Authenticator app on your Instagram account. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.